Good. Hello. I don't know. Hello. Good intro. How you doing, guys? Right. Welcome back to another Fiesta video. Here we go. Modifying. Let's do a little bit of modding, shall we? No engine work yet. Like I said, I want to sort of get used to this car. I've only had it a few days, so I sort of want to just drive it, enjoy it how it is at the moment. Just focus on making it look and neating it, and just making it tidy and neating it up a bit. So today we've got a few things we're going to be doing. The video is going to be jumping all over the place, so that's it now. That's what my video is going to be like. So we're going to install the interior parts. Let's do these trim parts first. Let's do the gear gaiter and the handbrake gaiter. Weirdly enough, this Fiesta doesn't come with a gaiter. The handbrake, it's just all exposed. But the leather gaiter on the gear knob is actually in pretty good condition. I was expecting it to be quite rough and a bit faded or used, but in here it's actually in pretty good condition. Makes me feel kind of bad to rip it apart and put that one on, but it's my car and I'm putting my touches to it, and this is what I want to do. So yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit here and there today. I'm just going to wing it, and yeah, enjoy today's video. Let's get on, because I don't know how you... Oh, okay. I was going to say, I don't know how this gear knob comes off, and I'll just twist it, and there we go. Twist and it comes off. Easy. Let's get to it. Alright, okay, so we're going to start down here. I don't know if this thing twists. Feels like it does. I'm not entirely sure how this comes off, to be honest. Like I said, I've never worked on these cars, so this is all new territory. The whole diesel, living with a diesel car is all new territory for me. I don't know if this, maybe it's like the ST, it just pops up. It's got plastic surrounding there. Feels like it does anyway. Anyway, I'll get this gear knob off. Well, that was incredibly easy. Let's not jinx myself. Well, okay. Oh, okay. Let's not jinx myself, because this car is playing ball. I hate to say it, but I'm enjoying working on it. I am. Wow, okay. Yeah, I don't know how this comes off. I need to figure out how this comes off, so give me a second, guys, while I have a bit of a look around. Okay, so I was twisting it, and I was like, twist, so I went like that and I pulled, and then it just sort of lifts up. Like that, you see. Nice, that needs a good old clean round there. Nice. That's future mods, and we've got to try and get this gaiter off. But I look at it, it looks like they stapled it on. Yes, I don't know how I'm going to get mine on there, because I don't have any no, I don't have any staples. Right, it's going to be interesting. Okay, so I've taken the surround off, it's just down there. And I'm just looking at these staples here. If I can carefully bend these staples out, I might be able to put them back in and reuse them. I'm going to try and get these staples out. If not, cable ties it is. But yeah, that's grimy. Ugh, nasty. Yeesh. Okay, right. I'll be back in a sec. Let me get these staples out. So I don't really want to ruin this leather gaiter, because it's in pretty good condition. I might be able to flog it on, or I might just keep it if I ever want to put the car back to stock, if I ever sell it. Not that I ever do that, but it's always handy to have spare parts, just in case someone actually does come on the forum and say, oh, has anyone got a spare like Ford gear gaiter in good condition? I'm like, yeah, I have. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, okay, so I've got the gaiter out. Oh, Christ. No. And yeah, nice and easy. Just pulled out the pins, the metal staples. So yeah, I just really want to quickly clean this up and around there. Let's get rid of that. Ah, that's better. Nice. Right, need to measure up the new gaiter. Cool, blimey. About 10 minutes later, maybe 15 minutes later, that's a long time. But yeah, it's done. It was a bit of a tight fit, but I managed to get it to fit in the end. Bloody hell. Yeah, it's just getting these bits here sat back. There's a groove in between, but you don't want too much leather overlap, otherwise it won't sit in the grooves, which is a bit annoying, but just trim it up and then it's good to go. Before I do put this on though, I've been having this is all a bit stiff, changing gears, so I might just put a WD or something down there just to lube it up quickly before I put the gaiter on. Okay, so I've greased it all up down there. It looks like it's very, very dry down there. The car's been sat for a few months, the guy said, so I'm going to be surprised if it will sort of just dried up. So let's get this gaiter on. I'm excited. That way around. Snug. Lovely. Look at that. Get my gear knob on. And there we go, guys. That's all it needs. Don't need nothing too over the top. I don't like going too mad. I like to keep my cars quite looking nice and stock. But the blue stitch, man, this goes well, doesn't it? Right, let's go this handbrake gaiter. I don't know how this sort of works, to be honest. Does it just slide over and just stays there? I don't really, not too sure. I'm gonna have a quick look again and then I'll be back. Okay, well, lift the gear. Well, this just lifts up, which is handy. Just got to try and wriggle it out of the way. 2 hands for this probably. Alright, so there we go. Got that on. Very tight fit. I had to try and slide it down there. Very tight to get it over that, but once you get it down all the way, once you take that cover off as well, it's sort of like you can stretch it down around plastics and that. And it just sits there like that. From what I can see. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. That's gonna look nice. Just put this trim back on. It's gonna be a bit tight now, don't forget you've got the leather on there. I'm trying to get this back over it. It's gonna be a bit of a tight fit. And there we go, got it on. Just very nice. It's leather, so it will start to stretch later on. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks great. Smells nice in there now, leathery. Job's a good one. Right, moving on to the next one. I've just got some parcels. Fingers crossed. It's my badges. Oh snap, guys, guess what I've got? Oh man. She did a good job as well. I found this woman online. Oh snap. Oh yeah, she did yes as well. Oh legend, I'm going to give her some good feedback on that. Oh yes. Damn, son. Damn. That's going to go on there with the new black background and the Ford badge. I'm so excited, let's just get him on. That looks nice. Right, did the back one and then did the steering wheel. Right, just giving that a good clean. Got it between the gaps as well. It's go on there. I don't want the Ford logo, I want the S logo. It's got try something different, do something a bit different. nice, I like that. Not too over the top, black and blue, keep it nice and clean, simple. Yeah. Right, last one to the back. Right, so there's the back one. I am kind of tempted to take this one off and spray it black as well. I don't know how it comes off though. I might have to take all the trim underneath the boot, and yeah, it's just going to take way too long. And I'll probably do it another day. But let's just get this one on. Ah, fresh badges. Damn, that was good. I like that. Do stitch gaiter, handbrake gaiter, new logos. Damn, I like that. If you're wondering, are the grills going gloss black? Yeah, they will do eventually. Man, that looks good. Right, next modification we're going to do is the sun strip. So it's not so windy out here now, which is good, and it's the right sort of temperature to do it. And it's pre-cut, so I'm just going to quickly clean the windscreen, and then we're going to lay that down. And I think that'll be it for today's video. That is a lot we have accomplished in however long this video is going to be, but for me, over an hour and a half out here so far. Worth it though. It's coming together. Let's get these little bits done first on the car, you know, the touch-up bits here and there. I have some new wiper blades coming. I have some new number plates coming as well. Before I go any further though, with doing anything else to the car, anyone out there got a Fiesta like this that they're breaking up, or they've got spare parts that are lying around that have the other shaped mirrors with the silver caps on it, or got them in metallic black, send me the mirrors. I like to have them. Same with silver handles or glossy black handles, metallic from the black version, and the same with these as well. Has anyone got them in silver or black? Yeah, so anyone out there want to donate and chuck me some of those exterior trim pieces, I'll be ever thankful. And also, anyone out there with a silver, I want them in silver, because obviously the car is silver, saves me painting them. If I can get them in silver. Anyone out there got any silver ST side skirts they want to chuck my way, feel free to get in contact with me. So mirrors, door handles, trims, and the side skirts in silver, or these bits here in metallic black. I think that'd be nice. So yeah, let's get this windscreen cleaned up and get ready to lay the vinyl. Okay, you see me install sun strips before on my ST. I've got the strip here in its packaging still. So this is like a tint film, pre-cut. So yeah, hopefully should go straight on. Our instructions of this one, I'll leave a link down below where I got this from if anyone out there is looking for a sun strip for their Fiesta Mark 6. Okay, I'm just going to let the camera roll.